Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make chicken with mixed vegetables. This is a balanced dish that tastes great served over rice. It's an easy and very tasty version of the popular Chinese takeout dish. We'll need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into chunks. Sprinkle with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. Mix this well and leave aside while we prepare the batter. To your bowl, add 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Give it a mix. Add enough water and mix. To make a thin batter like this. Heat up a pan and add oil to fry the chicken. Dip the chicken in the batter and drop gently into the oil. Fry about 2.5 minutes on each side until golden brown. My chicken was cooked in 5 minutes total. Breast meat cooks very quickly. Drain the chicken on paper towels and leave aside. We'll be using 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped fresh ginger, a handful of green beans cut into long pieces, about 1 cup, 1 small onion cut into big pieces, 1 medium carrot peeled and cut into rounds, 1 small red bell pepper cut into big pieces, and a few dry red chilies for heat. I'll be using 2 for a little bit of heat. If you want it spicy, use as many as you would like. You can definitely substitute other vegetables for the ones I'm using. Broccoli, green bell pepper, and snow peas would work well in this recipe. Let's make the sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, double concentrated tomato paste that usually comes in a tube like this, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 4 tablespoons of chicken stock. Mix this well. If you can get it, add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. This adds a very deep flavor to the sauce. We will be adding at least 1/2 cup of chicken stock when we cook the dish, so have that ready. Our thickener for the sauce is 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of chicken stock or water. Stir that up. Now that all of our ingredients are ready, cooking will go very quickly. Heat up a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the chopped ginger and garlic. Stir for just 30 seconds. Next, the green beans, onions, and carrots. Stir that for 1 minute. Add the red bell pepper. Stir that for another minute. Break up the dried chilies and add them to the vegetables. Cook this for 2 more minutes. You can of course use a wok if you have it. Then pour in the sauce we mixed earlier and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Add 1/2 cup of chicken stock and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how crisp you like your vegetables. Taste it and add more stock if you need to. Now mix the cornstarch slurry we made and stir that in. Cook this just for a minute. Add the chicken and toss to coat. If you want to keep the chicken crispy, put the chicken pieces on your serving plate and pour the sauce over top. Steamed white rice is perfect with this chicken and vegetables. When I want a lighter meal, I have eaten this without rice and it's still satisfying. The sauce is not too thick or too sweet, so it's easy to eat the dish by itself. Give this recipe a try and leave your comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.